Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In today's video we got our spring Fab Fit Fun Box, so we are going to open it up and show you guys all the goodies.
Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind. Your love, it is all that I need.
Loki is trying to get into the shot, so I'm not sure if you can see her tail, but she is currently right in this general direction and she really wants to be on camera today. Unfortunately, you can't see her underneath the desk. So, all right, so let's get started.
All right, so we have a magazine.
Every month or every quarter, this is a quarterly box. You get it spring, summer, winter, fall. So it's a quarterly box, and every quarter you get this magazine, and I have to say on the back it's talking about the Omni Hotel in Arizona, which I think I stayed here when I went to a conference in Arizona 2 years ago, and I think there's actually a video on the link on the channel. So anywho, it's just a magazine that talks about all the different products that they have on the site. So moving on.
Some watermelon energizing polish peel.
So another face mask. This is like one thing that I've noticed in Fab Fit Fun that we get a lot of.
Mask?
Yeah, so it's a exfoliant face mask, and I will show close-ups of these in a little bit. It's made by Pure Elise. You can't really see it from here, but I'll show you a close-up in just a second.
Some silicone straws.
Everybody's going like environmental now, so reusable straws I think are a big thing. So this comes with 4 reusable straws, and I have to be honest, if we were still hitting up the Disney parks, this would be perfect because you cannot find straws.
And it comes with a little cleaner thing too, so you can clean your straws too.
If you think there's something in this box for her. But yeah, at Disney, all of their straws are paper, and they disintegrate like within 2 minutes of drinking. So I think if we were still in Orlando and hitting up the Disney parks, that this would be an awesome product for us to use. We're not currently hitting up any theme parks right now, but I'm gonna keep on that.
You have a fast food leave-on conditioner moisturizing. Or moisture, I'm sorry.
Moisturizer, yeah, it's like a leave-in conditioner. All my ladies out there understand this. I was running out of some leave-in conditioner. I think the last one I got in my Fab Fit Fun Box, it didn't smell very good. So, kind of excited to try this and see what that smells like.
Next is a deep sleep body cocoon. A multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings.
I wonder what it smells like. Oh, it smells like lavender. It smells like a Veda, actually.
Very lavender.
I love the smell of lavender. I know lavender is hit or miss for some people, just like vanilla, but I love lavender, so it says use this nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. So, I'm kind of excited to try this. Next up
is a
Way, I think.
Way China Herbal Beauty 2-in-1 Purifying and Glow Masked Collection.
All about the face mask. So this has got.
So do you like paint it on?
Yeah. We'll have to. We can paint it on now if you want. So multiple face masks here to try, and
you have a Ready Glow exfoliating mask and a purifying mud mask.
So spa day while we're stuck inside. Hashtag it's Corona time.
It's Corona time.
Has anybody heard that?
An umbrella with sunflowers on it, looks like.
Yeah. Because April showers brings May flowers, and April will be here before we know it. And supposedly it rains a lot in April. So I personally cannot keep up with umbrellas. I leave them at hospitals when I round and stuff, and it's just, I have so much to keep up with. So definitely in need of another umbrella, so this will come in handy.
Got a Donnie Cardigan. It's a cardigan. Yeah, Donnie Cardigan Plus. Kind of like a grayish color.
With some stripes.
Yeah. Weirdly, it reminds me of couches. And,
It does kind of have like a couch pattern.
it's really soft.
Yeah, so it was one of the random items that I could choose to go into this box, and I thought, why not get something that I can use? And I'm all about cardigans. So I'll have to show you guys that later.
We have like a gold brush. It says Area Beauty, Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. And it has a lady with pink hair kissing us.
Kissy face, duck face, whatever you want to call it. Can never like not have a detangling brush, so I'll give this a try. I did cut all my hair off recently. Look for that in another video. I'll show you what it is now because it was like down to here and now it's like here. So tingles were a huge issue. So I'm excited. New brush. And I think that is it. I don't think there's anything else in the box.
Just scrappy papers.
Alright guys, so that is everything that was in the Fab Fit Fun Box. If you guys want to see me use any of these products and let you know how I think about them, leave a comment below. If you got a Fab Fit Fun Box and got any different items, let me know in the comments below as well. I can also put a link for a discount for Fab Fit Fun. I think it also gives me a discount as well, just a heads up. But if you're interested, I can leave that link in the comments, and look for us in another video coming up soon.
Yeah, stay humble, everybody.